On the situation number one, our study focuses on low cost and sustainable ways to improve crop growth and soil health. We are comparing two natural resources, sewage soil and earthworms, to see which one works better or if both are effective in helping plants grow. According to a 2023 study by Fonte et al., earthworms help grow around 140 million tons of crops like maize, rice, and wheat every year by improving soil structure and fertility. Another study by Lu et al. 2023 shows that composted sewage sludge fertilizer increased wheat yield by 124.2% and improved soil health without harmful levels of heavy metals. The earthworms can be found at local compost sites, and sewage soil is available in drainage areas in many barangays. We're also keeping it budget friendly. Our only cost is 200 pesos for transportation and 250 pesos for the seed. Projects support global like Zero Hunger by helping farmers grow more food and responsible consumption and production by using waste materials like sewage soil in a useful way in many barangays. This is a quantitative experimental study, meaning we'll collect numbers and data like plant height and soil nutrient levels. For our experiment, we set up three groups of plants, one group with earthworms, one group with sewage soil, and a control group with regular soil. We will measure plant growth, soil condition, and compare the results.
Situation 3, we create a title of Comparative Study on the Effectiveness of Bamboo and Styrofoam as Insulation Materials in Reducing Internal Temperature of DIY Model Homes Under Sunlight Exposure. According to M.S. Chandra et al. 2019, utilization of bamboo insulation system to fulfill the thermal insulation aspects assist in achieving the desired comfort levels in a much environmental friendly manner. Also, in P.A.D. Haya et al. 2024, research says that these materials effectively reduces indoor temperatures, providing occupants with thermal comfort. Practicality or benefits in bamboo, it is sustainable, durable, eco-friendly, and natural insulation's properties. While on styrofoam, it is a high performance, easy insulation, moisture resistance, excellent thermal insulation. And lastly, they are also both long-term savings on energy bills. In budget or estimated cost, the first one is bamboo. We can get it for free since bamboo is easily get in the side of the rivers. Next one is styrofoam, which is 180 pesos, glue sticks 30 pesos, tape 20 pesos, and the miscellaneous 500 pesos. Total estimated cost of 730 pesos. In research design, we will use the quantitative experimental research design. SDG or Sustainable Development Goals, we have improved insulation reduces the need for artificial cooling like air conditioners, which means lowering energy consumption. The next is choosing effective low-cost insulation materials supports affordable energy solutions for homes, especially in hot climates. We will gather data by experiment setup. A. Model homes construction or constructs three identical DIY models homes using the same materials. Example is bamboo or styrofoam for uniformity. We have three models that we create. First one is Model A, no insulation or controlled. Next one is Model B, insulated with bamboo. And the Model C, insulated with styrofoam. For Part B, ensure same size, roof pitch, window placement, and wall thickness. Place the insulation on the inner walls and roof mimicking real insulation.
Number 3. Our research aims to compare two types of solar lighting system. The first one is made from locally assembled solar LED units. The second one uses standard photovoltaic or PV panels. We want to find out which system lasts longer and which one gives better brightness, especially when both are charged under the same amount of sunlight. According to Saputra and Inayati 2023, where they tested PV panels and batteries for solar street light in Indonesia. Another study by Chikati et al. 2023 who compared different types of batteries, performance, and their solar charging. Our research can help improve solar lighting solutions, especially in off-grid or rural areas without electricity. Knowing which system lasts longer and shines brighter can help communities choose the best, most affordable solar lighting. We estimate a budget of 41,000 to 55,000. This will cover the cost of solar LED units, PV panels, batteries, wiring charge, controllers, and measurement. Our study supports SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. We're promoting better solar technologies to also contribute to SDG 13, climate action, by encouraging clear, renewable, and energy use. We will conduct quantitative experimental study. We will use sensors and data loggers to monitor battery life and light brightness over time, ensuring all units receive the same sunlight for fair comparison.
Come up for this situation is exploring the different types of study environment and examining if ambient noise really affects students' problem-solving skills in physics. Now, for the objectives, we aim to identify the different types of study environment and ambient noise that affects students' academic performance. Factors that supports this study. Number one is by Springer 2010. According to him, learners preferred learning in a classroom environment where student-centered and teacher-centered learning coexist. Another one is by Juan Verta and Richard Skoek, 2010, which suggests that face-to-face learning provided better learning experience than virtual learning as it enhanced students' social skills and their creativity. For the practicality, this research will help students enhance their problem-solving skills, and also, knowing the different types of study environment will be useful in helping the students find the most appropriate study environment for them. Now for the budgeting. If this title will be approved, the budgeting that we have discussed are the following. First, for the assessment sheet or the test, it's 20 pesos. For the materials like pen and paper, it would be 25 pesos. And for the miscellaneous, it's approximately 100 pesos. To sum it all up, it will be 145 pesos. Research is aid the barriers that affecting the students' academic performance and finding the most appropriate study environment for the learners. The research design that will be used in this study is quantitative research design, specifically experimental. How will we gather data? We will select random participants in our campus, one female and one male, and that makes two of each from each sections to avoid bias. And then we will put them in certain environments, indoor or outdoor, to observe their academic performance. When we gather all the necessary data, we will conclude whether or not different study environments and ambient noise really affects students' academic performance.
Title is what is the effectiveness of eucalyptus oil rather than citrus oil, Cayena pepper in reducing pest infestation in Barangay Lusacan, Quezon. According to Harris MS et al. 2025, sinasabi dito na ang cayena pepper is good for enhancing the predator tulad ng ibon na pwedeng kumain ng pest to help the farmers. According to Kadashmi Kalibeni, the eucalyptus oil can help to control the Lepta durgata o isang peste na naninira ng plants. And also he said that eucalyptus oil is more effective than other pesticides because hindi niya pinapatay ang mga nakakatulong na insect. Our research benefits the farmers in Barangay Lusacan by helping them to control the pest infestation, and also by using eucalyptus oil, it can help to minimize the cost. There are also benefits of the people who buy the product by helping them to not worry about the product because it is good and healthy. Eucalyptus oil is 500 pesos, citrus oil is 250 pesos, cayena pepper is 250 pesos, miscellaneous is 200 pesos. Therefore, the total budget is 1,250 pesos. Test the effectiveness of eucalyptus oil in reducing pest infestation and find out it is more effective compared to other pesticides. How we will gather data? Since we are talking about pesticides, our best option is to experiment. We will test the pesticides to a certain plants not prone to pest infestation. After we got the result, we will decide which the most effective pesticide among the 3 organic pesticides.